The raptor is one of the strongest predatory birds. He is hunting while in the sky. Look how he tries to kill the huge bird. It hit him in his strong claws, and the bird falls from the sky to the ground. The eagle does not stone. It continues to harass the migratory bird. The eagle hunts fish in its very formidable way. It takes about a few minutes to get out of the water. He caught one, and now he's flying to the sky. But the fish tries to escape from it. You won't be able to survive because the eagle's talons are like daggers, 7 centimeters long. The eagle has a God-given advantage. It moves its head while its body remains still. It can spot prey from miles away, even if it's small. Look at the speed that even surpasses a guided missile heading towards Earth at a tremendous speed.